Hey, Wagwan, today is self-care day because as queens we need to take care of ourselves. So today I'm doing my own pedicure. Of course you can go to the nail tech, but I don't have one near me, and I enjoy doing it with my 100 yen aka $1 store products anyhow. They come out really nice. It's alright. So a part of self-care is just to do your pedicure, do your manicure, get a scrub, go to the spa, but keep watching and see what else you can do on self-care day. Minasan, konnichiwa, o genki desu ka? Yokoso, one big Irish family. Kyou wa onsen ni ikimasu. Ikimashou. Let's go. Okay, obviously this is not an onsen. This is my bath, people. Yes, this is my bath. Like, who's gonna spend all that money to fill this up with hot water? I'd rather take a shower. So, if you have a non-existent or unrealistic bath, take a shower. Use your favorite soap or body wash. Those are mine. What's yours? Kirei ne. I took the private bath so I can show you guys.
You don't know.
Of course, the public one will have people in it. Let's go in. Let's get naked. Let's get. That's sweet. I got 45 minutes. I'm gonna go in. Oh, not so hot. It's nice. You have to find ways to keep happy and do the things that you like. That was really nice. I'm hungry. We need to go get some food. I'll show you my view. Wow. I've never touched one of these in real life. You know what it is? Pay for it. Yeah, so that was just a little view of the onsen. You can see why people love it. It's quite relaxing. So now we are at the restaurant. I say we because it's me myself. I took myself out on a date. Can you imagine all the menu is in Japanese? But I found something that I've bought before, so I just took that. Look at me sitting down like a Japanese. Let's talk a little bit. Self-care doesn't have to be expensive. Taking yourself out on a date to wherever you choose, whichever is nice and good for you. I really don't know what this is. You do it. I had so much fun riding today. It was a little bit scary at some point because the road is quite narrow. Actually, in the Japanese way, we're supposed to do this. But I'm a Jamaican, so yeah, do something that you love. Go to the park, sit down, just relax. Lie in bed. If you work on weekends, take a weekend off and just lie in. Just do something that you enjoy. This looks so good. Find your happy place. Wherever you are, if it's playing the guitar, if it's playing the drums, if it's doing nothing, if it's cooking. I love cooking. I don't have a garden to sit in, so I made a makeshift garden on my balcony. I wouldn't say makeshift, it's a small, tiny garden. I just sit there. Well, can't sit there for long because it's kind of uncomfortable, but I still get the garden feeling, you know. And for my bath, as you can see, it's too deep and small. Who the hell can take a bath in that? Who did they make that for? I came to an onsen. This is actually good. The onsen is Japanese hot spring. I ordered a private one so I could vlog. Public ones are a little bit cheaper, but it's fine. I think I should grind this and put it on the chicken, and this is like a sauce. My mama raised no fool. Taste this. Definitely the sauce for the chicken though. Another thing you can do, you need to do, all of us, especially now where we have lockdown and stuff like that, make sure that you are doing some physical activities. Get up, jog, dance. I love to dance. Jump up and down, whatever you need to do, do it. Number one, find your happy place. Whatever it is that makes you feel good, make do with what you have. It doesn't have to be expensive. Make use of DIY. The Bible says, what's that in your hand? Use it. Tip 3, sit and do nothing for at least an hour or even less. But even if you want to lie down, just relax. Stay in bed, watch a movie, watch my channel, something. Pray, meditate, and do declarations and affirmations. Those help to build confidence. You'll feel positive knowing that you're going into your day, your week, your month, your year, understanding that something good is happening, gonna happen for you. When I do my declarations, I look out for blessings every day. I look out for God to blow my mind every day, and it doesn't matter how simple it is. I just feel like it's a blessing and it's a testimony. So I journal. Do something good for someone. Bless a little baby with a toy. Bless an old lady. Help her to bring a bag from the supermarket. It helps you to feel more fulfilled as a human being, and to feel more positive about yourself. Take care of yourself. Your health is your wealth. You don't want to be too cheap and then you spend the money on doctor's bill, or you start to have a mental breakdown. You start feeling like you're not feeling good mentally. Talk to someone you trust and get help and do some self-care. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Da, 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 da.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call